Okay, I've got some paints left. I'm going to do a really quick pour. 8-ounce cup, and I only need 3 or 4 ounces. I could probably get by with the bathroom cup, but I want a little extra. But I'm going to do the same colors that I did before, just in a different order. So let me figure out what colors I want. I am going to put a little white down this time. Just spread around with my fingers. I actually really like that just the way it is. Just take my skewer and move the paint just a bit along the edges. I'm going to leave this one as is, but I'm going to do one more. Okay, again, I'm going, well, let me zoom in so you can see just a little bit better. Since these are 8 by 10s, they're harder to see. I'm going to put some white down. These are all ARTEZA colors that I mixed together. I will post the colors below the video. And there is no silicone in the paint. It's mixed 1 to 1.5 parts of Oatrol Easy Flow, which is like Floetrol in America. So that's what I used. I used 1.5 parts of that to 1 part paint and a lot of water. And I didn't want cells per se. The white is most likely Artist Loft white. I usually use Artist Loft Flow acrylic in white and black always. Just trying to get an interesting composition there. I like that. Do the same thing I did last time and just move the edge ever so slightly. And I'm wiping my stick off. I didn't really mean to move it that much. I'm going to take some of that back. You wipe your stick every time so you do not contaminate one color with another. And if you need to reach a direction, make it accessible to your dominant hand that you have control, because it takes a really light touch to do this. Okay. Fill in some spots where the white did not get to the canvas much. But other than that, I really like the colors surprisingly together with the greens and the earthy tones or warm tones. I really liked the raw umber and burnt umber together with the golden colors and orange tones. So there's that one. All right, I'm really done this time. Thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll post the colors that I mixed down below the video. They were all shades of colors that I mixed. You see the different, this pale yellow, regular yellow, metallic gold, true ochre with some orangey tones, and this is yellow true ochre, yellow ochre, scarlet red, some raw umber and burnt sienna, and I added some blue to this to get it deeper and a touch of black. This is the yellow green. This is Prussian green with some blue and black added to that. I did not use the pale green, which was this with white added to it. So I mixed my colors. I will list the colors down below, but I just mixed a range of colors that I was going for. And you can do the same thing too with yours and just make it special for yours. So I will see you next time. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.